Welcome to another edition of AUVSI's Weekend Roundup, where we point out some stories from the week you might have missed. Brian, I'll start us off. There's a UK drone corridor test. They are testing what's called holographic radar. Supposedly it performs better against multiple targets, and the company that built it is already using it at some international airports, so we will see how that goes.
Sounds good. I have a few items from UPS this week. So the first one involves UPS and a partnership that they announced with Waymo this week, where they will test using an autonomous vehicle to pick up packages from a UPS store. The way it will work is Waymo's Chrysler Pacifica minivans will be used to shuttle the packages from UPS store locations to a local UPS facility for processing.
Sounds good. Good way to get packages.
Yep.
A small USV is going to be operating in the Arctic to measure where the krill is. Krill are these tiny fish. It's actually a sail buoy, and it makes it easier for krill fisher people to find where the krill is, so it's more efficient, and apparently people fish for those things.
Wow.
Not sure why.
Pretty interesting. Next item for me. In collaboration with UPS and Matternet, UC San Diego Health has announced it will begin using UAS to deliver medical samples and products throughout its campus. The way that project will work is medical professionals from Jacobs Medical Center will pack payloads such as blood samples and other products into a secure container that attaches to one of Matternet's M2 drones, and the drone will fly on a predetermined low-flight risk path to make the deliveries.
Yeah, to get the medicine there. Last one for me. So if you are in Miami and you have a drone, don't fly it near the Super Bowl stadium, even now, because the FBI says the warning period has passed. They are now just taking the drone. So if you fly, you will lose it. They confiscated the first drone on January 29th, and there have been dozens of flights in the area. So if you want to keep your drone, don't fly near the Super Bowl.
Serious business. Last item for me, a local story. In Maryland, the Howard County Police Department has announced plans to launch a one-year pilot program testing UAS for their various operations. The UAS will be used for a variety of operations, including life-saving operations, as well as to collect evidence relating to criminal activity and in instances where they have obtained a search warrant from a judge.
Be interesting to see how that pans out.
Yep.
So that's what we have for you this week, and we look forward to seeing you next week.